Hey, welcome back to another episode of the FOGO Life. Today I'm going to show you how to smoke Thunderbird wings. Don't mind the rain. My friend Trace runs a successful food truck business in Nashville and makes some of the best wings you've ever eaten. Recently he started selling his iconic brine, rubs and sauces online so you can make those wings at home. Go check him out at thunderbirdwings.com. Trace recommended me to buy large whole wings at Sam's Club because they sell some of the best around. So I headed over to Sam's and got some Pilgrim wings, 10 pounds of them. I put them into brine yesterday night and they've been brining for about 18 hours, so they're ready to cook now. We're not going to let the rain stop us, that doesn't matter. We're going to cook them low and slow at 225 to 250 degrees. We're going to put some pecan wood on there to get that extra smokiness, and we're going to eat some wings. Come on, let's do it. When I talked to Trace, he recommended me that pecan wood would go amazing with the wings. So I'm going to put on a few chunks of pecan wood for the smoke. Set your grill or smoker to a low and slow temperature of about 250 to 275 degrees. We are going to cook these wings for 3 hours in total. At about an hour and a half, turn them around so they get nice and crispy on both sides. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like our videos, make sure you subscribe and share it with your friends on Facebook and on other parts on the internet. Our chicken is ready. It's been 3 hours. That's what Trace told me. Cook the chicken wings for 3 hours, he said. I was like, are you sure? It's going to be overcooked. It's going to be dry. He's like, no. Follow my recipe. Follow the brining, rub, and 3 hours of cooking at low and slow temperatures, 250 degrees, and it's going to be perfect. So let's see if it's true. So I have some chicken right here. Let's pick some more. Look at this. Well, the color is absolutely perfect. Look at the skin. Looks amazing. Look at that nice, juicy, crispy skin. Let's see how it is. Woof, it's hot. Look at the steam. Can barely touch it. And we have some white sauce. Thunderbird Whitebird sauce. Goes great with everything. Just to dip a little bit. And let me tell you a little bit more about the Thunderbird wrap. Basically the main ingredients are actually lemon pepper, black pepper, habanero powder, chili, ancho chili, and cayenne pepper. So this stuff is spicy, right? So, I always like to say that because sometimes some folks don't like it spicy. This is a spicy rub. This is gonna be spicy chicken wings. Just don't do them if you don't like spicy. All right, let's try it out. Yeah, this is pretty amazing. Look, nothing dry. I thought it was gonna come out dry, but I don't think it's gonna be dry at all. Oh, this is good. Whoa. Let me have another bite. This is good. It's spicy. Wow. Wow. It's really good. I really thought it's going to be dry. 3 hours chicken, come on, it's going to dry out, it's going to be bad. But But no, it's amazing. I guess the secret is, keep it low and slow, 225, 250 degrees, and just cook it. Just go with it. At about halfway through an hour and a half, we flip the chicken around so it gets nice and evenly cooked, a nice and crispy skin on both sides. Yeah, I mean, this is absolutely amazing. I would say try it out. Try it out for yourself. Go to thunderbirdwings.com, get some of the rub, and try it out for yourself. Let me know down below in the comments if you liked it. And see you next week. Thank you.